This exercise is called a bird dog. So this exercise is targeting our core and back strength, as well as a little bit of glute and shoulder strength as well. So we're going to show you a couple of progressions how to do this exercise, but we're going to get into what's called a quadruped position. So 90 degrees at the hips, 90 degrees at the shoulders. And from here, all we're going to do is keep a neutral spine, and we're going to extend one leg. So this is the first progression. And then we're going to come back and we're going to extend another leg. And now what I don't want to see is I don't want to see excessive arching through the back. We're trying to just move through the hip and keep the back nice and neutral. The next progression is adding the arms as well as the legs. So we're going to go opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're going to come through, keeping a neutral spine, and hold, and come back. And then switch sides, neutral spine, moving only through the shoulder and through the hip.